This video offers my proven methods to not only improve your intuition, but to release all those emotions associated from all the times you got bad dowsing replies that didn't make any sense. Enjoy! Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, wisdom expert and master dowser. People from all over the world have contacted me and asked me for help with their dowsing fails, and they don't know what to do. And the first thing I would suggest is make a list of all the emotions you're having about why you can't get the dowsing to work, or it only works well some of the time. You get inaccurate answers the rest of the time. When people email me, they send me all their emotions. I'm so afraid it's never going to work. I'm so impatient. I'm so frustrated, all that. Well, that's great. You know what's wrong. Clear it. And as those of you who know me well, I use a governing vessel meridian clearing system, which is so simple. All you got to do is tap under your nose while you repeat, I now release all my impatience and frustration with my dowsing. Or you can run your hand like this in reverse of the governing vessel meridian, and that will clear the energy as you intentionally focus on what you want. I release this fear of failure, that I'm a failure as a dowser. I release this fear, I picked the wrong dowsing method. I release my fears, I'm never going to be able to figure this out, or I won't be able to dowse for maybe a family member who needs help or something. The most important thing I would say is to release your fears and your emotions, because all those are blocking all the beautiful intuitive hits coming in to you. Dowsing is just simply a tool, whether you use your body, your hands, or a pendulum, or dowsing rods, whatever. It's just a tool to connect into your intuition, to tap into that intuitive self that we all have. It's a gift. If you believe in God, it's a God-given gift. If you believe in the big energy or the universe, it's a gift from the universe that was given to us when we were coming onto this earth as cave people, I guess. And it was needed for survival back then, and then we repressed it, and now it's time to bring it forward for your dowsing. So just think of the dowsing as it's just a simple way to connect into your intuition and relax about it. Because some people get so stressed out, oh, I'll never figure this out, and a lot of us are overachievers, and I did the same thing, and I wish to God I had someone to help me with my dowsing fails, because I had a bunch of them off and on for years. And that's why I created that book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, to help you all just get going right away. Practice and you will become a master dowser too. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you the most amazing success in your dowsing and finding out what you really need to know to help yourself first, and then when you become really confident in your dowsing, to help others all over the world like I can do. Take care. Peace out. Decode life's mysteries, learn dowsing today, and help yourself, family, friends, and animal friends.